Hello, I'm Chris Marlowe. I'm in applications here at Pfannenberg Sales America. And today I'm going to be showing you how to install our new PQF filter. Today I'll be using the PQF 200, which is about 8 inches in width or 200 millimeters. We also have it in 300 millimeters or about 12 inches and 400 millimeters or about 16 inches. I will also be showing you how to install a filter that you can buy at a local hardware store to show you how much easier the PQF is to install than something that you have to measure and cut yourself. The PQF comes with everything you need to install it. In the box, you'll find the PQF roll, as well as the 2 sticks that are used to secure the filter. For installation, what you have to do is open the plastic, remove the tape, pull the filter through, and then you can install it onto whatever you're installing it onto. Installing the PQF is simple and takes no time at all. There's only 3 steps. Secure this, pull your filter, and then use your strips to secure that in front. And then you're done installing it. If you don't have a metallic or magnetic cooling unit, you can actually install it onto an enclosure, like so. And then using those same strips, you just secure it on the other side. And then that way, when your fan is sucking in, it keeps the filter in place and then filters out through there. So I already have a filter that's cut out, so I can use this for my measurement of the new filter that I'm cutting out, which reduces the time that I need to measure out and cut a new one. To install the custom cut filter, I will be using duct tape and the filter. And I'm doing this because it's just a quick and easy way to install this. And then when I want to replace this filter, I take all of this off and recut a whole new filter again. That has been installing the new PQF. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to email us at sales@pfannenbergusa.com or call us at 716-685-6866.